online trading app Robinhood found themselves in the middle of the biggest crisis since Occupy Wall Street in the financial markets just this past week. And while I think they're going to get through it just fine because of the amount of people who are now using their platform, I don't think they did as best as they could have done in thwarting this crisis PR if they had just thought about all of the scenarios they may encounter as they were building up their business. If you don't know Robinhood, go look them up. They are a unique online trading platform that offers, at least at the low end of their freemium pricing structure, free trades. Now, the reason they can do that is because they've got a unique and possibly very untoward revenue model, at least if regulators have something to say about it in the future. They have been, while claiming to be a disruptor in the financial services sector, had to get an infusion of almost $3 billion in cash to cover margins that clearinghouses wanted in a response to the amount of trading that was done on their apps for the likes of GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, and others, because individual investors wanted to stick it to the big man and make what they call a short squeeze event occur, having to basically have these big hedge fund investors cover costs. And they were successful in doing so. But Robinhood had to then stop the ability for investors to trade those while the hedge fund's still allowed to do so. Herein lies the problem for Robinhood that they didn't manage very well. While they claim to be a disruptor in the financial services sector, their business relies on partnerships with the establishment in clearing all of their trades, but also in regulating their model. And in doing what they've done, they have put themselves clearly in the spotlight of investors who couldn't have access to certain trades when they wanted it, regulators who are now questioning their revenue model, and clearinghouses who made them put in a lot more money in order to continue operations. Planning for all of the what-if scenarios of your brand will help you mitigate and potentially avoid crisis PR events like the one Robinhood is facing right now. Hindsight's always 20/20 in the background, but in this case for Robinhood, it might have been blinding.